Hello guys. So, uzibuza ucela ungiculela. She just wants to do her own lockdown worship with Dr. Ziphozenkosi.
Amen.
Just for you guys. So we are waiting for at least how many people? How many people should be online for your performance? Can we at least get to let's get to at least 500 people and then Zipho will start. Yeah.
No, babe, that's not.
At least
No, it's not. No, baby. You're just gonna get me more nervous.
let's try and get to at least 500 people.
Babe, no.
And then guys, for you to hear this amazing
I love baby stuff.
amazing singing. Uzipho akahlabele nje she sings like she's got a beautiful voice like Gadlalu uyabhimba
Just worship
nizomuzwa. So we almost on 500. We're almost on 500.
Let's just start there. So when
Okay, we're definitely now on 500.
Do
you wanna push to 1,000?
No, I'm just worshiping.
Do you guys want us to push to 1,000?
Baby, no, I'm gonna get more nervous. Please.
Okay.
Are you? Baby, you are.
Yeah, boy.
Even like
Yeah, boy. Bye, guys.
Bing Dumi somehow.
So that is Dr. Ziphozenkosi lockdown worship. Mine is coming up on Sunday, this Sunday.
Yeah.
It's gonna be super epic.
Oh my
it's gonna be like super big
and
so
super amazing.
Get ready for this coming Sunday. I'm gonna have a worship session somewhere. I'll give you the details soonest. God bless you guys.
Proper worship.
I love you guys. We love you guys so much. Please tell us she's got a beautiful voice.
No, I don't.
Please tell us she's good. That's not my phone.
No, I don't. I'm not the best at singing.
Yeah, but you can sing.
No, babe.
No one said you have to be the best. As long as you can sing.
You just love me.
As long as you're singing for the glory of God. Oh my.
Amen.
Oh, hallelujah.
Amen. Okay.
Like she's improved. No, she's always. She was doing on that video, it was delivered.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Alright, guys. Bye bye.
Bye.